everyone, I hope you guys are well. Look what I got free from Amazon. So basically this camera like dash cam, so I bought that one like 6 months ago. This is the camera I'm using at the moment. So that one got a problem now, is just stop recording middle of the driving. It's quite good camera. I saw the review on Amazon and I bought it 6 months ago. It's like double camera, so one recording side and this is the outside one. It's come with the charger and everything. And that one I bought is like it was 129.99 pound, and comes one free car phone holder as well. So I haven't opened it. I still got one old one. Okay, let's put this one on the side and let me open the new one. It's like that one is which one I'm using at the moment. That one was N2, and which one they send me is upgrade one, so it's called N2 Pro. The company name is Vantrue. N2 Pro. It's exactly the same. Little bit upgrade, so I think there is some feature, upgraded feature. Yeah, same one. But lucky then I got, they sent me a free. So that one is full price was 159.99, so like 160 pound. And they gave me another one offer, like they said is a goodwill refund, another 15.67 pound or something, 15 pound 67 or something. So that's the seal thing you have to open. Let's see. The company is very good. I recommend this one. Oh, we got a sticker as well. Yeah, that's good. The first one when I got, I didn't get any sticker, so I have to buy a sticker separately. All this lug broke and everything. Yeah, let me see the compare to that one. Okay, that one got this, look, this light here. So inside when you're recording, so it's gonna, the other one N2 one doesn't have the light. The new one N2 Pro, it's got one light in here, and the front bit is exactly the same. Look different, little bit different, otherwise exactly same. So that one is like 180p full HD, and that one is 1440p super HD. Very good. Let's see what else in there. That's I think this is the charger cable for everything. This mount, car mount. There's two chargers. There's one is a long one, like that one. I haven't used one. I'm still using the short one. So I don't need the long one. I'm not going to use the long one. I'm going to use the short one. The short one, let's see. This is the power button. Let me start power. It's not charged yet. Let's see if it's anything. So yeah, this comes up. So I have to put a SD card in there. Hey, showing my face. Look. So this thing is, what does it call? Okay, I'll put another SD card from the other one. So this is SD card slot. That one is 64. That one is Samsung. Let's open this. Which way goes? Check which way it goes. Are you gonna break it? Still goes smoothly. Come on, come on. I'm doing it wrong maybe. It's not going. No one. It's not good. Yeah. It's gone nicely. There's a charging port here. I don't know, another one is, what is that? This thing, problem is doesn't have the build-up camera. Build-up battery, no camera. Build-up battery, so you have to put it in charge all the time. This came in. Low battery, yeah. Let me plug in and see how it works. Oh yeah, that's why I can do setting on this stuff. Format, data and system info. Back again. So got the recording and file. Let me see my old file. So I got even recording setup. Yeah? Loop recording, yeah. Always do a loop recording. 3 minutes. Yeah, that's fine. 3 minutes. Back. File. Let's see my previous file. Okay. No file is. Okay, it didn't come to the file. Normal. I think you have to format the SD card first. Yeah. Okay. Let's format this. Okay. Format successful. Okay, that's it. I'm not doing a proper review, it's just basic thing I'm showing. Very happy to that I got the free thing. That's all. Thank you for watching. Take care. See you soon.